Welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ and PJ Commerce Classes. In today's class, we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions related to your term 1 examination topics. First question, if the partner's capital accounts are fixed, where will you record the additional capital introduced by a partner? You might have studied the two methods of preparing capital accounts. Which are they? Fixed method and fluctuating method. Under fixed method, we are preparing capital account by preparing two accounts. First one is capital account and the second one is current account. And if we are following fluctuating capital method, we will prepare only one account. That account is known as capital account of partners. So here the question is regarding fixed method. If the partner's capital accounts are fixed, where will you record additional capital introduced by a partner? If you are following fixed method of capital, then additional capital introduced by a partner is recorded on capital account of partners itself. So the answer is option B, capital account. Next question, liability of a partner is options limited, unlimited, determined by Partnership Act and determined by court. What we had learned, liability of a partner in a partnership firm in general is unlimited. In the case of limited liability partnership only, the liability of partner will be limited. Then third question, maximum number of partners in a partnership firm is, options are 10, 20, 50 and 30. Maximum number of partners in a partnership firm is limited to 50. Fourth question, partnership deed is also called, options, first one prospectus, second one articles of association, third one principles of partnership, and fourth one articles of partnership. Partnership deed is also known as articles of partnership. Don't get confused with the articles of partnership and articles of association. Partnership is also known as articles of partnership. Fifth question, in the absence of partnership deed, interest on loan advanced by a partner is. We had already learned that in the absence of partnership deed, the advance granted by the partner to the partnership firm, the partner is eligible for getting 6% interest. Even though there is no partnership deed, on the loan allowed by the partner to the firm, 6% interest to be allowed. That is a rule. Okay, so here the answer is option C, 6%. Next question, in the absence of partnership deed, first option, interest will not be charged on partners' drawings. Interest will be charged at 5% per annum on partners' drawings. Next, interest will be charged at 6% per annum on partners' drawings. Interest will be charged at 12% per annum on partners' drawings. In the absence of partnership deed, what is the provision? In the absence of partnership deed, regarding interest on drawings, interest will not be charged on partners' drawings. So the answer is option A, interest will not be charged on partners' drawings. Seventh question, the persons who have entered into partnership with one another individually called. Option 1, partners, 2, firm, 3, company and 4, sole proprietor. The persons who have entered into partnership individually known as partners and collectively known as firm. So the answer is option A, partners. Next one, in a partnership, liability of all partners is option A, unlimited, option B, according to capital, option C, limited, option D, decided by Company Act. Answer is unlimited. We had already seen that the liability of partners is unlimited. Then next one, balance of partners' current accounts are. Options are debit balance, next credit balance, third option debit or credit balance, and fourth option neither debit nor credit balance. We know that all the adjustments, if you are following fixed method, then all the adjustments we are showing in current account. So current account may show either debit or credit balance. So the answer is option C, debit or credit balance. The last question, current accounts are opened if capital is options fixed, fluctuating, not contributed, fixed or fluctuating. What is the answer? Current accounts are opened if capital is fixed. In the case of fixed method, we are preparing two accounts. One is capital account and the other one is current account. So option A is the correct answer. Remaining questions we will discuss in next class. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.